Hi everybody, welcome back. I have my first, I'm just going to show you. This is my truck, right? So the load that goes back here, I have finished the first one. Now this is the problem. Here is October's load, right? Now, if I just take this and I put it in here, you can't even see the skull that's on it. That's way down here. He's half blocked. He's 3/4 of the way blocked, right? So, and it does this. Okay, this is how I'm going to fix that. I took a sandwich bag and I folded it up, and it fits in here. Oh, upside down. It fits in here just fine. Lengthwise. Let me show you. Lengthwise, it fits in here just fine, right? So I decided that that was fine. That was good enough for me. Right? So I wanted to try and make this thing sit up a little higher. Right? So this is what I got. Now you can see this guy peeking over the thing. You can see that this is a cauldron. You can at least see his mouth and his. And all you can see is right here, all you can see is just shiny. So, this is my October truck. I think it's cool. So that will go up on my wall over there. Okay. I also finished up the bee magnets, and I wanted to show them to you. There is this one. It says "Too Sweet." There is this one, and it says I don't know what it says. I know "Life Sweet." Life to be sweet, because there's a bee right here. Anyway, here's one of my favorites. It's a gnome. Look, he's got a honey heart with his little wings, kind of like this honey heart. This one's hard to read, and it says "Welcome to our hive." So you can barely see hive in there. You got this one that just says honey. I like this one. This one, this one says "So happy." B, like in this one, it's how it's spelled. And then you have this one. So I got those finished. They're sealed, right? So I can get ready to put those away. And even though I have, I think, 2 or 3 more of these, I'm going to go ahead and show you my miniature set. Now, I'm doing my miniature set, and I'm going to pick out some to give to Hunter, my grandbaby. But I also have 3 other, wait a minute, 4 other grandbabies. Sorry, Nixon. But my daughter has 4 boys, right? And so I'm gonna try and send each one of them at least one. So we'll see. But I've got this one, and they are square. We got this one. This one. This one. There's only have 8 done. I enjoy this one. This one to me looks like more of a Humvee Jeep. And then there's this one. So I've still got a couple more of these to do. I've been sealing them with my Minwax, and guys, I go the whole page, because if I just went around it's gonna have it's gonna make this look different. So I go the whole page over. So, but yeah, so I'm gonna try and get some little frames for these and send them to my grand boys. So like I said, I've started on Christmas because I have to send things in the mail. So that's what I'm gonna do. Now I get to start on I've already started fall, y'all. I got to start on my my other boys in California. Yeah. And then my great nieces in California. I call them my girls. So got to start with my girls, or get my girls done so I can get those sent off too. So everybody, thank you for stopping in just really fast, just to show you some things I have completed and to show you my truck, which I absolutely love. May have to find a different way to do this, right? But then again, it might just be just fine. But, right? This is how my truck looks for August or October. Yay! Like I said, I moved it. I tipped it too far. That's one good thing about it being down there so far, I guess. So far, that's been the only good thing. But, you know, it's alright. It'll get there. But you could use foam board, right? And put that here in the bottom, right? There's lots of things you can do just to make it sit up just a tad bit higher. See? All right, everybody, I'm going to let you go. You guys take care of yourselves. Check your little ones, your fur babies, and your elderly. Get out there, show the world that you, that your light is shining. Share your love, share your joy. Be kind. Of nothing else, just be kind. Right? All right, everybody. From my family to yours, we want to send you our hugs, our love, and our prayers. Everyone, remember, you are in my prayers always. And if you need me to pray for you more individually on certain matter or concern or just whatever, my email address is always down below. Give me send me an email. It'll just be between me and you and the Lord. All right, everybody. Take care of yourselves, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye, everybody.